So you may be wondering why I am dressed as I am. That's because I work as a humanist celebrant, marrying people in beautiful spots like this. I actually just married a couple just over there. The couple aren't over there, I married them just over there about half an hour ago. I'm going to stay up here tonight and have a wee camp out because it's just such a beautiful night. And yeah, I might do a wee review of the tent. I've been meaning to do a review of that for a wee while now. So I'll probably do a review of the MSR Elixir 2, a wee in the field review, and see how that goes. But what a beautiful place for a wedding, what a beautiful place for a summit camp. Well, this is what wild camping is all about. Sitting here on Beinn Laced, looking west, the sun's still lighting up the western horizon, even though it's about 10:30 at night. Got the bulk of the Buchel rising to my left there. Above Glencoe, taking in the beauty of the surroundings.